Hey beauties, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this look. I was really inspired to do a kind of cranberry smoky eye, but then I've also been wanting to try to do a halo eye. I haven't done a halo eye in probably like 2 years when I first attempted to do it. But I think this time I did a pretty good job. Like, I am in love with this eye makeup and everything else. I don't know, I feel like this is the best look I've done this year. I don't know. You guys have to tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and also comment and share. And let's get some more people to join this beauty squad. If you guys want to see how I got this beautiful halo cut crease sort of eye, then please continue to watch. So we are starting off with Shape Tape in the color Tan Sand, and then I'm setting that with my Airspun powder, which I've been obsessed with lately. So we're starting off with eyes. I already have my eyebrows done. I used the ColourPop brow pencil in Bangin' Brunette. Now I'm going into the ColourPop in Shayla palette, the Perception palette, and I'm going in with the shade Culture as my transition shade. Now I'm going in with Thick, and I'm putting that into my crease and blending it into my transition area. So as you guys will see that I'm just going deeper and deeper, blending colors into my crease up into my transition area. So we started off with the light color Culture, going in with Thick. It's like a orangey, kind of orangey color. Now we're going in with Revenge, and we're just deepening the crease. And since I'm doing like a halo eye, I'm making sure I blend it in my crease and on the sides of my mobile lid as well. Now I'm just blending it all out, making sure everything's blended. Now I'm going to the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and I'm taking Mulberry and I'm deepening the crease, but I'm also putting it all over my lid too. So just so it could be on the ends of my lid. I mean the inner and the outer part of my lid. And you guys see what I'm doing. And I'm patting because I want to really place that color there and then blend it out. Now I'm taking that Shape Tape again, and I'm taking a concealer brush, and I'm going to kind of make it so that I have that halo look. This seemed easier for me to do than making sure that I kept an open space, just to put it all down and then create an open space for the halo eye. So I'm kind of cutting the crease in the middle of my eyelid space, and I'm taking, what is this, Strut and Slay? I think that was Strut and Slay from the ColourPop in Shayla Perception palette, and I'm putting that right on top of the concealer. I didn't set the concealer. I'm basically setting the concealer with the eyeshadow. I wanted the eyeshadow to really pop. Now I'm going back in with Mulberry from the Soft Glam palette and just deepening up the inner and outer corners of my eye. Then I'm taking another shade, which I forgot to show. It's called Spill the Tea from the Perception palette. And I'm adding that in just to add a little highlight to the inner part of the, well, like the middle of the halo eye. Now I've been doing this trick that I got from Jackie Aina. I've been setting my cheeks because that's where I have the biggest pores. Not for oil purposes, just because so you really don't see my big old pores. You know, through my foundation and stuff. I did go in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Chai, and now I'm going in with Smashbox HD concealer, and this is in, I think, what is this shade? Medium dark. I think this shade is medium dark, and I'm just putting this on all my highlighting points under my eyes, forehead, nose, and chin. And I'm also taking a little bit of Shape Tape just to brighten it a little bit. And I'm taking my, this is the Real Technique sponge, and I freaking love these. I don't even buy beauty blenders anymore. I just buy these because they're cheap, and I really, really like these. I did set my under eye with the Airspun powder, and now I'm taking my Fit Me powder in coconut and setting the rest of my face. And I'm, you know, baking underneath the cheekbones just to make that contour really pop, you know. And this is the Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm using both the contour and the sculpting shade. And I'll go back in with a little bit of the contour shade just to deepen it a little bit. This is Ofra's blush, chameleon blush, I think. Yeah. And this is Shayla's highlighter in Boomin' from the ColourPop collection. I really, really like this. I really like this. I need to get the other one and see how that one is. I think that one's a little darker, but I really like this Boomin' one. Now I'm going back in with Mulberry, and I'm putting that, blending that on my lower lash line. Kind of smoke out the look a little bit. Fix Plus is always my go-to. I got this in my Ipsy bag, and I really, really like this. And I haven't done liner in so long. You know how sometimes you have those moods where you don't, like, as you guys will see, I don't put lashes on. I haven't been in the mood to put lashes on, and I really don't be in the mood to do liner or feel like doing it. But my best friend was like, you know, you haven't done liner. I haven't seen you do any liner looks, and I felt like this was the perfect look to do a wing liner with, and I'm happy I did it. I miss doing liner. I forgot how wonderful, like, it is, like how it really seems like it completes your look. So yeah, and I just wanted to kind of, I put a little bit more footage in here of me doing the liner so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. I'm taking that Sip the Tea or Spill the Tea shade, and I'm putting it in my inner corner. Going in with my favorite mascara at the moment, the Maybelline Temptation. It's waterproof, that's why it's blue. And I'm putting that on my upper lashes and bottom lashes. Now I was deciding because I wanted to do a dark cranberry lip, but I could not find a cranberry, so, and I didn't like those two colors. So this is Anyways, the collab with ColourPop and Ellery. So I'm basically using this as a liner. And then you will see me go in with NYX lingerie liquid lipstick. I think this is in Satin Ribbon. And I'm putting that on the inner part and kind of just, you know, mixing it together, making a really nice, like, nude look. And I don't know what made me do this, but I've been loving blending out my lipsticks with my fingers. It makes it blend so much better. I don't know why I haven't done that before instead of using like a lip brush. And that is the final look. I added a little bit of lip gloss. It's just like a random Victoria's Secret lip gloss. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah.